To get the maximum benefits from your TrustScore and star rating, show them off to attract new customers. Our widgets are standalone applications that display your Trustpilot information on your site. Some of them show your star rating, while others show both star rating and TrustScore. Choose which best suits your needs and put them where customers will see them. For example, service review widgets featuring your TrustScore are great at checkout, where you want customers to feel confident. All the info in your widget is updated in real time, so if your TrustScore changes, you'll see it reflected right away. If you want to use a widget but it's locked, upgrade to the standard plan or get the relevant add-on module. Note that some widgets display product ratings on a 1 to 5 scale, but these aren't the same as your TrustScore or star rating. If you want to know more about the product ratings, click the link here or in the video description.